Now there is some fun things that you can do with the Tesla as well. If you press the icon at the top, just press this one here like this, and then do that, just slide it down, you get all these cool little bits and pieces. So you got the classic whoopee cushion, and there you go. You can choose which seat, even the different types of farting sound. So that's pretty cool. What else we got here? We've got a fireplace. That's pretty good. I like that. Very, very cool. Let me go widescreen and we can see a bit more of it. Hang on. There we go. So you can see we've got the... Wow, okay. Some music there as well. What else have we got here? I think there's some games and stuff. I'm not sure what that does. Santa mode. To enable and disable Santa mode, use the voice controlled ho ho ho. Okay, I think that makes like Santa go along on the navigation. Not quite sure. What's this one? Okay, this turns the whole place into Mars. Probably not very good when you're trying to navigate to the mall. And here comes Wi-Fi. So look, we got Atari games, asteroids, whole load of things. Really great fun. So this is a good bit of fun. Classic Elon Musk stuff. And check it out. All right, very good.